healthy chocolate cake with my mom as my assistant. And I will give my mom an honor award for being the So why is it a healthy chocolate cake? Because we won't use oil, butter, or like an oven right here, and butter. And it's a healthy chocolate cake also because we are gonna use vegetables as our ingredients.
Oh my God! Wow!
So first we have to wash our hands properly with salt and water. With salt and water. So we have to wash our hands properly with soap and water. Before we start, we need to wash our vegetables first so that there will be no pesticides, remove pesticides, bacteria, and germs. So get the big bowl. We will use this for washing, and we will wash first 2 carrots, and then 1 zucchini, and 2 cucumbers.
So how we will wash these vegetables?
Oh no!
So we need to put water and baking soda.
And why do we need to wash our vegetables? To remove the pesticides, bacteria, and germs.
Correct. So we will put water, then we will leave it for just 2 to 3 minutes. Just leave it there.
And we can prepare our other ingredients. And we will be needing cabbage. But it's too big. So I will just use my karate chop powers.
Okay.
何？お前はもう死んでいる。
Oh, but then we forgot to remove the plastic.
Okay. We'll use the half only.
Here you go, Mommy.
Let's wash it now.
Okay. So my mom is washing the cabbage and all the vegetables. And by the way, do you know, guys, that all the minerals, vitamins, and nutrients are all coming from the center or the core of a cabbage. That's why we need to include it in our food and in our cake.
Very good.
Wow.
Next.
So we will
Do it! Just do it!
Careful.
Just do it! Make your dreams come true!
Yay! So the next step is to put the chocolate cake mix into this bowl. And we're gonna shear it.
Scissors.
It's funny. Then we will put the whole thing. What? And we will put the whole thing, the whole mix, in the bowl.
Wow.
It smells so good.
Chocolate powder.
Yay!
Then use the food processor.
This one,
More easier to cut
the vegetables. I mean, we already did
and
that.
slice the vegetables.
You want to try also? Sure. And just need to turn it clockwise.
vegetables for the replacement of oil and water. Saan ba natin kinukuha yung vegetable oil? From vegetable.
Where do you get baby oil?
From baby. 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one.
Next one is the cucumber.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What did you say a while ago? We need to use the core, right?
Yes.
Because the minerals, vitamins, and nutrients is coming from the center of a cabbage.
Yes. Correct. You learned from my class, Mrs. Stephanie Jimenez.
And again, natin yung galing sa
I didn't know you could cut like that.
We don't have sweetener, we don't have sugar. So what we will do now,
That will make you have.
for the replacement, we don't have apple, we can use banana. Banana for
But
our...
we are not monkeys.
Banana! Ay, mali ako.
Oh
Ako, baby. Daddy.
Oh, first time. First time mommy called you baby. Wow. Like
10. Oh.
so, she's locking it, and then now she's
Ooh,
putting.
banana.
The
For our
bananas.
sweetener.
Whoa. Can I try?
Yeah, sure.
Red pen.
Thank you. Thanks. Okay. Okay, you can slice the banana, but use this one for safety. Then just push it down. Then there you go. Very good.
Let's try it.
Yes,
Kind of
very
makes
good.
stretch here. And the next step is getting the eggs right here and placing it in our bowl.
Crack that eggs. Maybe we'll use 2 eggs.
And we will be mixing.
So we don't have base. We can use banana, strawberry, or we can use this banana for our base.
I'm sure if you're here, you will
Palinaw ng
like the
mata.
smell. It is very, very sweet. It's getting harder and darker.
So guys, ito na, meron na tayong base. Ginamit natin banana kasi wala tayong apple. Kung ano lang meron sa ref, yun yung ginamit namin. So, pwede naman siya. Instead of putting oil or butter, syempre mas healthy pa rin kung fruits or vegetables yung ilalagay mo. Mas masarap sana kung mango, ilagay mo, strawberry. Pero ito yung meron kami, banana.
Yes, and if you don't understand
Ito yung
that,
itsura ng base natin, banana
if
base.
you don't understand that, you will put some ketchup below.
So, is it that?
So our mixture of the vegetables and the cake mix and the egg.
Without oil,
Yeah, without oil,
without water,
without water, and without butter.
sugar.
And without sugar. It darkened up like this. And my mom is gonna place it here, and then she will pour it on top of the banana base. I always say that. And
We're
Pouring
using
it
the
right now.
electric skillet.
it is very fast to cook with electric skillet.
Saladmaster cookware.
And we're just gonna stab this one into this one, into the electric skillet.
15 minutes later.
It's done! And please, the moment of truth.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh, ta-da! Just
Let's
need
stop
to
it.
scrape it. Scrape it. Oh,
So
scrape
that-
the sides so we can
can
flip
get
it.
We can pause it so that another assistant, which is my dad, will help us.
Yeah.
There's a scissor here. 3, 2, 1. And we put some
This is
toppings.
Neiah's cake.
These are the results.
Healthy chocolate cake. It's up to you if you want to put some toppings or whipped cream. But for us, we have only the cereal. So we put some cereals on top of the cake. If you want to put also carrots, it's up to you also. Much better because
Or
it's
any
more
kind of
healthier.
option.
See, in just 12 minutes, we have the healthy chocolate cake. If you don't have any sprinkles inside your kitchen or in your fridge, we can crush the Oreos, any biscuits that you want. It's up to you. Any toppings. This is Neiah's version of chocolate cake.
Healthy. And we slice the cake up and put slices on our plates. And we will taste it now and rate it. Very yummy.
You cannot taste the vegetables. You can just taste the
Banana plus.
banana chocolate. Like that. Pero maganda pa rin gumamit ng saladmaster talaga. Kasi nakakasave ng time, energy, pati ng grocery.
So thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed, and please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified